Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial we have Adobe Illustrator Scatterbrush. My name is Marie, I'm a graphic designer, and let's start the tutorial. In Adobe Illustrator, a scatterbrush allows you to randomly distribute an object or symbol along a path with customizable controls over size, spacing, rotation, and scatter. It's great for adding texture, decorative elements, or natural randomness like to leaves, stars, and bubbles. How to use the scatter brush? Well, first of all, we have to create it. So we're going to draw the object we want to scatter. So I'm going to go ahead and create a star. And then I'm going to add a few other shapes around it, like a few circles. I'm going to duplicate the star. And I'm going to add a third star with more points. As you can see, for my scatter brush, I'm creating a group of different shapes. I will be changing the color as well, but you can also just use one shape or one object. Also, if you're interested, don't forget to watch our Adobe Illustrator Shape Tool tutorial. The link is above. Okay, I speeded this up a little bit because now I'm just changing the colors here. I'm making it very fun, colorful, and messy. So I'm just gonna change this black that doesn't look too fun and playful to a dark blue. And here we have the base that I'll use for the brush. So we're gonna keep them vector and separate. They're not grouped. And then I'm going to select all of them that I want to use for the brush. Select them all together, and then I'm going to go to the brush panel over here. If you don't see it, don't worry, you can go to Windows here and select Brushes, and it will open the panel for you. So I'm going to go here to Brushes and Create New Brush. This little panel has all these different selections, and I'm going to use Scatter Brush. Okay, and here is our Scatter Brush Options panel. So first of all, here we have Name, and this is where you name your new brush. I'm going to put Party, and then we have Size. This is the control of the randomness of the size. Then we have spacing, which is how far apart each instance appears. Then we have scatter, which is how far from the path it scatters. And each one of these you can put like random, you can select like the different presets. And then we have rotation, which is the angle of each object that can be random or based on direction. Also, we have the slides next to each option where basically the 100% line is your reference point. So to the original value, which you can move up or down. So now I'm going to go ahead and just change everything to random, random, random to make it messy. Here you have a choice of method. I'm going to leave none and push OK. And here we have our new scatter brush with the name that I gave it, Party. So if I select it, I can use the brush tool to create a path, and the brush will automatically be applied to the path. So as long as you select your new brush, you just have to draw a path with the paintbrush tool or the pen tool, and the scatter brush will automatically apply. So now, what if you create a path and you want to add the scatter brush effect to an existing path? Like for example, if you create a text and then convert it to outline, you can add the scatter effect. So I'm going to use the type tool and write birthday girl here, and then I'm going to make the size bigger. I'm going to center the text and then center it to the artboard by using the Align panel. I'm going to choose a font. Let's just go with this one. All right. And now, while the text is selected, first I'm going to change the fill color. All right. And I'm going to add a stroke color as well, even though this is not important for now. So I'm just going to add a red stroke. Also, I'm going to change the spacing. So while the text is selected, I'm going to go back to the character panel over here and change the spacing. If you want to know more about the type options in Adobe Illustrator, go ahead and watch our type tool tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to make this bigger. And once we have our final text, we can expand it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the stroke because we're going to add it afterwards. Go to Type, Create Outline. So now we don't have a text anymore, it's a shape. And now that it's a shape, I'm going to add the scatter brush as the stroke. So when you double click on the brush, the scatter brush options will open and you can modify them as you like or just leave them like they were. And as you can see, since the effect is really big, I'm going to make the stroke width smaller. And here we have like a scatter birthday effect all over our birthday girl text. I'm going to change the birthday girl to blue just so you can see these stars better. And that is so much easier than just having to create a bunch of stars and shapes around your text. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you like, you can click down below and see all of our merch, and if there's anything you like, go ahead and purchase it to support our channel. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Ciao!